This tutorial is for those of you who are trying to schedule semi-private classes with me. Now, first step, don't forget, is to log in. Step number 1. And that's my information. I'm logging in. And you'll notice when you do that, you're going to see on that page your upcoming appointments that you have scheduled and any active discount codes that you have in place. So let's say you want to do discount bundled semi-private classes because we all like to save a little money, right? So you click on that and it will auto-fill in your information because you are logged in. I created a code for me so I don't have to do a credit card on the screen share. So that got me my class pass with my certificate code. And you will get the same thing when you pay for your pass. Then you click on, oh, and notice here there's a QR code. If you want to do this through your mobile app from your iPhone or iPad, you just scan the QR code to upload the app. So let's go on to scheduling a semi-private. First off, anybody who's taking a semi-private has emailed me and I have confirmed that you guys are a match and you're ready to go. So here is the page for scheduling. And you'll see here the calendar showing the times that are available for semi-privates. So there's a 2 o'clock on Thursday. There is a 9:30 on Friday. So when you click on the date, the time that's available or the times, if there's multiple times, will show up. And then you just continue from there. So I will just walk you through it. So let's say I'm doing 2 o'clock. Continue. It autofills your information here. And look at that. It already put the code that you purchased for the semi-private package right in there. And you complete appointment. And there you have it. Semi-private duet, 2 people in a live studio session. Thursday, October 28th at 2 p.m. So this booking is just for one person. So there's an opening for another person to schedule. And then don't forget to add it to your calendar system by just clicking one of those buttons there. And if you want to schedule another appointment, you just go to here. So enjoy. Thank you.